This video is a guide to help learn how to use CosiCarriage mode for the Maxi-Cosi Oxford Modular Stroller. Make sure you read the complete instruction manual, which includes important warnings and other information. Start by fully reclining the seat as flat as possible. Adjust the leg rest to an upright position, and make sure the bumper bar is removed. Lift the seat pad and unfasten the snap beneath to access the leg rest storage area, where the carriage coverings are located. Unzip the cover of the storage area and pull it away to access the carriage coverings. Pull the carriage coverings out from the storage area. There will be 3 coverings, a middle covering and 2 side coverings. Once the coverings are removed, place the seat pad back over the storage area. Match the zipper on one side covering with the zipper located under the seat pad on that side, near the harness covers. Use the zippers to fasten the side covering to the stroller. Repeat for the other side. Pull the middle covering up and place it over the stroller seat. Use the zippers on either side of the middle covering to finish fastening the carriage. When fully zipped, the zipper should rest underneath the flaps on the side of the middle covering. The bumper bar does not need to be reattached to the seat while in carriage mode. To convert back to seat mode, unfasten the 2 zippers on the middle carriage covering, followed by the zippers on each of the side coverings. Pull the coverings away from the stroller seat and roll them back up into the leg rest storage area. It is easiest to put the side coverings in first, followed by the middle covering. Align the storage area cover with the zipper and zip the storage area closed. Refasten the snap and cover the storage area with the seat pad. Return the stroller seat to an upright position and reinstall the bumper bar. You have successfully assembled and unassembled the CosiCarriage mode.